Hi and welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today we look at this viral question which is stumping the adults, but can the children do it? Let's find out. So the first issue with this question is that we have a subtraction followed by a division followed by an addition. So which one goes first? Well, if you look on the right hand side here, we have BEDMAS, brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division takes priority over addition and subtraction. So we should do the division in the middle first and then deal with the addition and the subtraction. Now, the second problem is how do we divide 3 by a fraction, which is 1/3? Well, to divide by a fraction, we need to change the divide sign into a multiplied sign. But the way that we do that is that we take the second fraction, in this case, if you see on the right-hand side, C over D, and we flip it around. And then we multiply the tops and we multiply the bottoms. So we have to change the division into a multiplication and then follow multiplication for fractions. So if we look at 3 over 7 divided by 4/5 here, we change it to 3 over 7 times 5/4, and then we just multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms, and we get 15 over 28. So that's how we divide fractions. We have to change them into a multiplication essentially. But we have to flip the second one. So looking at our problem here, 3 minus 3 divided by 1/3 plus 3. We're going to keep the 3 first and do that division. So we're going to change it into a times and flip the 1 over 3 to 3 over 1. And then we still have plus 3 at the end. So 3 minus 3 times 3, be careful, is -9. Negative times a positive. Then 3 minus 9 is -6, and -6 plus 3, it's just -3. And that is how you do this question without any headaches. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope to see you on some more of our videos. Please like and subscribe to the Mathemagic channel and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.